featuring 4 new colors for the Nike watch bands: the Volt Splash Sport Band, Blue Red, Gray Blue, and Green Gray Nike Sport Loop, not including other Sport Loop colors that have stayed the same but have updated textures. They're $49 and available for 42 and 46 millimeters. Today we're taking a closer look at them and seeing how they look in different lighting, angles, and Apple Watch colors. I'm using the smaller 42mm Series 10 in natural and slate titanium, jet black, and other older models and colors that work with them, including Ultra for gray blue. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Starting with Volt Splash. Oddly, the newest color for Nike Sport Bands. Last time we got an array of new Nike Sport Bands, but looks like the main line is bare bones in general. Like they've only got one designer or something. So I'm starting with the boldest of them all. Volt Splash is the most vibrant on its perforations, with a matching soft neon yellow as its main color. I didn't think neon could be so soft, to where it's gleaming instead of flashing at you. Love it. That splash in its name is probably the small speckles of blue, red, and gray that's only apparent close up, which unexpectedly works to give it more depth. I'll mainly be using the natural titanium Apple Watch here, along with other colors on the side. Here it is in slate titanium. In jet black, similar but reflects less light. And Silver Series 7, which is the same as 8 and 9, and needs some polishing. I've been wearing them both for casual and sport. Here's some examples of the sport band in action with athletic wear. Makes a great accent piece. I enjoy it with casual wear too, just not as much. Since it's a softer neon, it matches a good variety. The Blue Red Sport Loop. Two of the most complementary colors in one band. Has a good foundation of different blues and red accents. There seems to be a pink-like red on the ends too, and an orange-like red with a logo and top stitch. Definitely an expressive sport loop, and would love to see it in a red Series 7, which actually was a similar dark red. On natural titanium. Slate titanium. Jet black. Here it is with my Midnight Series 9, which I actually prefer the most. A little bit of bonus real-world lighting for you, with natural titanium. Aside from sport, I actually wear sport loops with casual wear a lot. Man, do I love bold ones like these working out. Gives me extra energy just looking at them. Though I personally ended up not liking this color, like I initially thought I would. Just a different presence outside of the Apple website. Also, didn't match as many fits as I thought it would. Gray blue sport loop. No QR code now, just a notice. Bare bones, I tell ya. Now this is a color I know will match so many things. Anything with gray and a dusty dark blue like this will. Sounds like a boring combo color, but gray and blue together are a strong duo. The Velcro's just as strong as ever. And the textures all around this sport loop give it character. Unlike the normal line of sport loops of the season, which I'm not going to bother with, and the material's still a soft woven nylon. Looks great with the Apple Watch Ultra, without the Ultra price. On natural titanium. Slate titanium. Doesn't blend as much, but the contrast is there with some gloss. Jet black. To me, it's just an alright combo, but some people like that contrast. To me, the dark color exaggerates the thick bezel of the Series 10. Brings the blue out of the midnight Apple Watch. And reflects off stainless steel. Can be worn as a daily band with casual wear. But, of course, it's made for sport. Check it out with athletic wear. Love it with the Ultra. I just don't think that the new gold will do much for it, but we'll see. Now the green-gray Nike Sport Loop. No QR code again, but I guess I'm glad they still make matching watch faces. It's really the warmed down greens and different shades of gray that make this sport loop. Generally looks like a grassy green from a distance, since the textures kind of blend together with the colors. But of course details show as you move closer. Brings out the slight brown in natural titanium. The darker watches add more depth, bringing out the dark edges of the band. jet black. Somewhat blends with the gold though, since they bring out the yellow from each other. So far my favorite sport loop out of all of them, matching a lot of my earth tones and warm tones in my wardrobe. You can see the color from any distance, even slightly in the shade. Also in movement. Comment which ones you like the most. I know there's not that much new for Nike this time around compared to last year, but I would choose Volt Splash first as a collector, then Green Gray second as a good match with titanium, and Gray Blue third as a go-to for a default color out of these. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like, or super thanks, and subscribe for more. I like to give watch band videos more detail. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.